So this is kitty vlog number 1, and basically I'm going to introduce you to my 3 cats. Their names are Mau Mau, Sprinkles, and Latte. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite, not just by looks, but by personality. Let's go meet the first kitty. This one is Mau Mau. As you can see, he does not like being held. Look at his wonderful, handsome face. You saw him in my last video. His tail was by that door. By the way, this is my room. This is a blanket. Let me tell you a little bit about him. He loves food. He hates dogs. Doesn't really like being held. He does love humans though, and he loves me. Just doesn't look like it. I'll let you go. And now he's going in the cat tree, so let's see what he looks like up there. My hair sucks. Do you like my shelf? Is that a comfy place? On to the next cat. This is Latte. We always call her Baby, but her real name's Latte. She likes to dress up in little dresses, but here, let me go put her in one. Okay, I have 4 outfits here. Tell me what one you like best. This is outfit number 1. She is wearing, this shirt is not getting nice. She's wearing this pretty peace sign shirt, and it looks really small on her, but we got it at the dollar store. Outfit number 2. This is a pink heart. Oh, you want to go get Mau Mau? It's a pink heart shirt, and she's actually having a lot of fun right now. She's purring. I can't hear it. It's not very loud, but oh well. Next outfit. This is outfit number 3. It's a green shirt, and it says, "Rub my belly, I'm good luck." It's a little for the... What? You having fun? There's a little for the clover on it. This is outfit number 4. It is a... Oh, did you hit your head? I'm sorry. It is a dark blue, navy blue dress that I got on Amazon, and she loves it. All these shirts, I got these at the Dollar Tree, $1 each. Well, now the Dollar Tree has some advertising. Go to the Dollar Tree. Get your cat some shirts. She'll love them. So a little bit about Latte / Baby, I got her, is she's super social, and anyone she meets, she'll like them unless you hurt her or pull on her tail. But I almost got a dog instead of getting her. But I'm so glad I got her instead of a dog. Next kitty. This is the last kitty. Her name is Sprinkles, for those of you that know that. Sylvia. Say it in the comments. She has a backstory. She's a retired model. I used to design cute little clothes for her when I was younger. And she'd wear them, and I used to take pictures of her on my old camera. It was weird, but she liked it. And, oh well. She doesn't do it anymore, because she doesn't really like modeling anymore, but oh well. Her story is, when I was 3 years old, I was coloring on my... Baby, don't try to attack me! I was coloring on my back porch. Well, it was raining, and I wasn't on the porch. It was, by the porch. There was a sliding glass door, and I was inside, right by the sliding glass door, and it was raining, and I hear this meowing coming from outside. I look over, and it's Sprinkles. She was a kitten, and she was meowing, and she wanted in, and she was all wet, and it was so sad. And I ran and told my mom and dad about her. If you're wondering what those noises are in the background, my brothers are cleaning. So yeah. Basically, she was out there all alone. And my parents didn't know if we should bring her in. She was so desperate, so they put some food out for her, and I kept begging them to let her in, please. And they were finally like, okay, we're gonna let Sprinkles in. But they didn't say Sprinkles, they said, we're gonna let the little kitty in. And when she was in, she was all over me. She's loved me. It doesn't matter what I do to her. I used to pull her tail when I was younger. I was such a bad kid. And she always still loved me, and she still does love me after all I've done to her, because I rescued her that one day. And that's the story of Sprinkles. Sprinkles. She's purring. She's not that social, but for the people that she does like, she loves them a lot. She hasn't been in my room in like a year. She hasn't seen this wall. She hasn't seen that J. She hasn't seen, like, the walls were all pink. There were stickers everywhere. My room was a mess. And now it's better. But, okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a little bit about my cats. Remember, vote in the comment section below what cat is your favorite. And in the next video, I will reveal the favorite cat of the people that watch this video. So, thanks for watching.